Will Coursera actually get you a job? The honest answer is, Coursera can definitely help, but only if you use it the right way. In this video, I'll explain what Coursera can do, what it can't do, and the fastest path to job-ready skills. Quick note, if you're planning to complete multiple certificates, Coursera Plus can be a great deal. Right now, the annual plan is $80 per year instead of around $160, and it comes with a 7-day free trial. The offer ends February 2nd, 2026. I'll leave my link in the description. Coursera itself doesn't hand you a job, but Coursera can help you get hired by giving you job-ready skills, industry certificates, portfolio projects, and proof of learning you can add to LinkedIn and your resume. Coursera can help you get a job if you choose courses that teach real-world skills and tools, especially professional certificates. For example, these are strong options for beginners: Google Project Management, IBM Data Science, and Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst. And these programs are structured like real training, not just theory. Here's why many people don't get results. They take random courses, finish halfway, and never build a portfolio. Employers don't care that you watched videos. They care that you can actually do the work. If you want Coursera to help you get hired, follow this simple plan. Step 1. Pick one career track: data, cybersecurity, project management, or software development. Step 2. Complete one professional certificate. Step 3. Build 2 to 3 projects using what you learn. Step 4. Add everything to your LinkedIn and resume. And Coursera claims that 77% of learners report career benefits, like gaining useful skills, promotions, and even new jobs. So yes, it can work, but only if you stay consistent. If you want the easiest way to start, check the link in the description. You can explore career certificates and the Coursera Plus deal: $80 per year with a free trial until February 2nd, 2026. My affiliate link supports the channel at no extra cost to you.